events, right? What's up, Bloomberg? You gotta see me. You gotta see Mama's Hip Hop Kitchen. This is your last year, and you better do something. You better do something. Let us get our hip hop building, right? It started here in the Bronx. So what's up? You wanna leave a legacy, Bloomberg? Come and see me. I got the team, and I got the people, right?
What?
Right? So what's up, Bloomberg? Come and see me. Got the fella. Alright, I'm gonna pass the mic. Y'all wanna be the ladies? The B-girls? We're gonna start right here and move it this way.
What's up, guys? B-girls Stealth here representing Jersey and New York. Just want to say peace, love, and blessings to all, and thank you for coming and support. I'm Coco from Japan.
Don't talk!
As known as B-girl BC, representing BX all day. It's a blessing for y'all to see us and a blessing for us to embrace our energy to y'all. So, peace.
Hey everybody, I'm Kiva from Finland.
Go Kiva!
First time here, I'm excited.
Hi everybody, I'm Debbie. And it's my first time performing.
Woo, girl!
Peace and blessings. My name is B-Girl G.I. Jane. This is my 5th year being here in Toronto. God bless Mommas Hip Hop Kitchen.
Hi, my name is Tiffany. This is my 2nd time performing with Rockefeller on this stage with Mommas Hip Hop Kitchen. I'm from Manhattan, but, that's about it. Oh, and I got 2 kids. I'm a mother of 2. And my sister, if you're watching me. Love you guys.
Hey guys, I'm Haley. I'm representing from New Jersey. And it's my 2nd Mommas Hip Hop Kitchen with Rockefeller, and I'm excited.
What's up, I'm Vito Jellerock representing Jersey City. 5th year Mommas Hip Hop Kitchen, let's do this.
Right, and just to let you know, we were rehearsing. Somebody donated space to Fullcircle. WEDCO, Women's Housing Economic Development Corporation. They are building a better Bronx. WEDCO, if y'all need daycare, if y'all need housing, WEDCO. Go online. We gonna get ready to dance. Y'all wanna see it?
Yeah, baby.
I let you pretend to read me, and then you know, cause I hate with one attempts to analyze, black eyes, spies, look for me to try to look into my eyes to see what I am thinking. That dream is over, yeah, y'all is singing. I tell all of you like I told all of them. What you say to me is just paper thin. Word. I'm not the kind of girl to try to play a man out. I take the money and the kid and break the hell out. No, that's not my strategy, not the game I play. I admit I play a game, but it's not done that way. Truly, when I get involved, I give it my heart. I mean, my mama sold my body, I mean, every part. But if it doesn't work out, yo, it just doesn't. It wasn't meant to be, you know, it just wasn't. So I treat all of you like I treat all of them. And what you say to me is still big. In one ear and right out the other. Murders, mumble, jumble. Lover, I don't pay attention, I don't concentrate. You ain't got the weight that it takes to hold this. Something you missed, I put feelings inside. I know who I am. My name is Light. Is your name Sam? Cause if it is, step off. Now the dope get lost. Rappers walk around the door and go back and get you go hit the road, Sam. Don't you come back no more, no more, no more, no more. Hit the road, Sam. Don't you come back no more. So now I take precaution with the shoes in my face. I do not touch until the third or fourth take. They made me go kiss on the 5th or 6th time with me. You are that doesn't take without a kiss. It's so incomplete and it made me. I let you play with my feet. You can suck the big toe and play with the middle. It's so simple, unlike the riddle. It's as easy as counting on 1, 2, 3. In other terms, letters L-Y-T-E. I'll tell you, and all of you in the back and in the middle and the front. Yo, that's it. Make my dick word up. Check it out. Yo, Mike, to my DJ K-Rock and
Negative, envious, pessimist, what in my mind? Non-believers telling me I can't achieve what I want to achieve. But yo, I got
stage. I'm fully paid, I'm cruising okay. I'm making a great and look every day. People come up and say, hey, the bring the M to the I, the I to the C, the M to the F, the period to the T. Put it together, you see you have me, Miss T, the female, number one, queen over all, and hotter than the sun and colder. There's no phone, rhymes, pick up, then I'm back on the mic, the road to the phone, try to take a break, get on wrong, before you take a break, your career has ended. Let's take off the track, and my record is ended. Hey! Heart to heart, don't worry about me, I get you my part, my pay on the whole deal, and that's what I want. I get that's right, up to stimulation. Don't let the music keep pumping. Meanwhile, the bass is just jumping. And you know, no one can rock it like we rock. Hey girl, let's try it. What? Try it, pop it. Yeah.
Oh, I'm sorry.
And after that, and you know it's true. But let me tell you something else about the doctor too. He ain't nothing to me. He ain't nothing to me. So I'm just ready. But let me tell you something else.
This is Mommas About Kitchen. This is what we're about.
I just want to thank Lala and Kathleen for everything. I've been coming to Mama's Hip Hop Kitchen since the beginning, and I'm always happy to come every single year. They do such an amazing job. A big hand to you guys for everything that you do. And all of the performers that always come through the doors every single year, it's just nothing ceases to amaze me how talented everybody is. Please come see the visual artists that worked on doors outside the lobby. We have Danielle Mastrian, we have Gigi Bio, we have Martha Alicia, we have Indy 184, we have Alice Mizrahi, myself. Am I missing anybody? And Queen Andrea, please come see everybody, right?
So, we have CDs. All of the artists that you saw today, and they're not for sale, they for free.
Yeah.
Free 99. So, we're gonna give out CDs. We're not gonna throw them because we don't want nobody's eye to get popped out right here. No time for emergencies. So, everybody grab some CDs and pass them out. And move up, everybody, move up. So we just want to thank you.
Yo, Tommy!
It's all love, it's all light, it's all
cool, Debbie.
It's all power.
I could take a stock.
Be safe, get home safe,
Love you!
and make the right choices, people. Make the right choices.
Can I get one? Thank you so much. Nice to see you again.